how to set up free shipping over $35 on Shopify. So first, go to your dashboard here and then click on the discounts here at the left side. Now just click on add discount, then click on free shipping here. Okay, now click on automatic discount, or if you want to use discount codes for this free shipping thing, you can do that. So let's just click on automatic discount, then type in your title here. So let's just say my title is over 35. Then select the countries that you want to use the free shipping discount here. So let's just say I want to use it in all countries. And as for the shipping rates, if you want to check this, you can do that. As for the availability, check this or not, it's up to you. Then as for the here, we will need to edit this one. Okay, so for the minimum purchase, since we want to set it to $35, above $35, just click on minimum purchase amount, then type in $35 here. Don't mind the peso sign since I'm using peso right now, so you can just customize that and set it to dollar if you want. And then as for the combinations, you can check among the options here if you want, use either of the options. And of course you can set the active dates here as well, and you can also set the end date. So after that, just click on save. Let's go back. As you can see, now we have a free shipping on all products, minimum purchase of $35. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.